So Blendshapes in Houdini. So for this, for example, we could see our deformations are pretty extreme. What you could do on some nodes, if there's an envelope, you could just reduce the amount. But for example, with soft peak, there isn't an envelope. There's either soft radius or distance. So I could reduce those values, but let's say maybe I didn't want to adjust those. I just wanted to keep that. So what we could do is just put, if we do tab blend shape, I could put that right here, and then we could connect, we could bypass all of that, and if you want to make it cleaner, we could just put another null. We could put that here, and we could call this maybe skin without cleanup. So there's our skin out. So we could just plug this here, and then on the blend shape, we could adjust this. So you can see 1 is completely ignoring the soft peak, 0 is off, maybe 0.5. Maybe that's still too strong. So what we could do is maybe keep 0.5, but also go on soft peak and make that less strong. So maybe 0.1. So there we go. Looking better. So to test it, we could turn this off. This is what our deformations look like, and then this is halfway blending it. And maybe we could just double check. So this is off on maybe 0.7 we'll stick with. So it looks more natural now. And that's blend shapes.